Welcome back. Ponda MLA Labu Mamledar doubts that there is massive scam in SOPO collection and he has asked for a vigilance probe. He also claimed that there is no silent war or politics within the BJP and the MGP over Ponda municipality, and both the parties will continue their alliance during 2017 and 2022 assembly elections. Labu alleged that municipality has made SOPO fiasco an ego issue.
Ponda MLA Lau Mamledar has said that SOPO issue and alleged scam related to it needs vigilance probe. He also said that CM has announced reduction in SOPO for vendors and not for municipality. But Bazarkars who were supposed to meet CM on Friday haven't turned up till now.
ही सोप्याची जी दरवाड केल्या ती अनऑथोराइज्ड ज्या तरेन तो प्रोसिजर फॉलो करून करपाक जाय आशिल्लें तें करूना आनी ऑब्वियसली भितर कितें आसा कोणाचो तरी इंट्रस्ट सेटल करपाक केल्लो सीएमान एक ऑफर दिली तांकां की 6 आनी 12 ह्या प्रमाणे तुमी सेटलमेंट जर करता जाल्यार फुडलो आमी इशू डिस्कस करुया आनी ते येवूय ना हेजेर पणजेच्या सीएमा मेळटा येदो तेन्ना फ्रॉड जाता तेन्ना सीएमान विजिलन्स एन्क्वायरी किंवा एंटी करप्शन एन्क्वायरी करूं जाय.
Lau claims there is no bad blood between MGP and BJP. Some vested interests are spreading this rumor to cover up goof-up related with SOPO collection.
BJP and MGP चे राजकारण चल्ला म्हणून
ना तशें ना तें. आतां पळय हांव जर खंयच्याय गेलो हांव फितोवपाक कोणाचें मायंड बायस करपाक हांव कितें सांगतलो तें तशें चल्लां म्हणून म्हाका दिसता तसो तो प्रकार जाल्लो कारण बेजिकली हें एक्शन SOPO वाडोवपाचो हो रॉंग जाला आनी तें आतां जस्टिफाय करपाक तो तरी वायट तो जर MGP BJP राजकारण करता तो कोणीय उलोवपाक शकता. आमी BJP MGP टोटल एक आसा फुडले आमी 15 फुडले 17चें इलेक्शन 22चें इलेक्शन MGP BJP एकच आसतली.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Former Sankwal Sarpanch Ramakant Borkar says he is being framed in bribery case. He alleged an MLA and a minister plotting the conspiracy. He said a MLA wants to retain his hold in Khortali and Borkar is an obstacle for him. Borkar further mentioned that everything will be clear in court.
कितें दाखोवन दिता हे टोटल म्हाका पॉलिटिकली काबार करपाक कोणा तरी दाबोलसान कुट्टाळे वचपाक जाय रिएंट्री करपाक जाय. दाबोलेच्या कुट्टाळे फक्त आडकळ जाताली रमाकांत बोरकाराची कित्याक एक MLA काम करूं शकना एक मिनिस्टर काम करूं शकना ती कामां फक्त सांकवाळे रावन सरपंच एकटो करतालो तें दोळ्या खंय तरी खुपसतालें ताका लागून हें षडयंत्र रचलां कोर्टान प्रूफ जावपाक तें जातलेंच. तें इलेक्शनाक हांवें सपोर्ट केला एलिना आनोपो धाडपाक हांवें सपोर्ट केला सो पर्रेकर प्रत्येक वेळा म्हाका सपोर्ट केला पर्रेकराक सो तितून म्हाका दिसना BJP हितून कितें रोल आहा म्हणून दुसरी पार्टी सपोर्ट करप हें सारकें न्हू. जर एक पार्टीचे निवडून येयलो कोणा एक सांगते की फॉर्मर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिनिस्टर तितले जावं पूण जे स्कॅमाचो चार्जीस लागलो गेलो नांव घेवपाक आमकां तांचें नांव घेवपाक म्हाका बरें दिसना. एक सगळे लोकांक खबर आहा ताका भितर पडलेलो म्हूण तांकां घडये थोड्यांक दिसता आतां अशें आमकांय केल्यार कितें तांकां बेनिफीट जातलें काय म्हणून.
Anti-corruption branch had arrested Ramakant Borkar red-handed while taking bribe to issue occupancy certificate of a house. A complaint was filed by Vasco-based complainant Munna Lal Halwai. But Borkar says it's a political conspiracy hatched by political leaders for personal gains. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
NCP has come down heavily on Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. NCP has demanded resignation of Parsekar for not acting swiftly on disruption of electricity in GMC. Trojan said minister was incapable of acting promptly in blood test scam case too. He also alleged CM of running a corrupt administration.
Instead of having pity and feeling remorse for the patients that suffer, whose sufferings have aggravated, he is busy on passing the blame on the electricity department. Blood scam, blood bank scam, everybody knows it. It took them 48 hours to take action when it can be seen on video. Why? Who is a part of it? Why 48 hours? What do you want to study? The NCP demands that this minister immediately tenders his resignation, and if the chief minister is not an interference in this ministry, you should sack him immediately. If he has any moral right, he should tender his resignation that I cannot control. Or if he does not do that, it is an admission that he is part of the corruption. Without he getting a part, he is not going to keep a corrupt officer.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.